I got nothing to say when the lights go up and the sun goes down, and I still can't sleep, 'cause you still got my heart, and I've been waiting on your call, but you never call, 'cause you know me too well. I'm no good for you, but you still got my heart. And I wish you could stay, but it's just not the same. I still can't let you go, but you know I need to. And you tell me you care, and I wish I could say I know I'll be okay, but you know I need to. Could stay, but it's just not the same. I still can't let you go, but you know I need to. And you tell me you care, and I wish I could say I know I'll be okay, but you know I need to.
I wake in tears before the sun. I reach for you, but there's no one. The bed feels wide, the room feels cold. Your name is all my heart still holds. I try to breathe, I try to stay, but every dream calls your name. I wake in tears, calling you. I wake in tears, not knowing what to do. My heart is tired and my love is true. I wake in tears because of you. I wake in tears, I wake in tears. Your voice still lives inside my head. It feels so real until I'm awake. I close my eyes, I fall again into the arms that left me then. The night goes slow, the pain stays near. I lose myself in missing you. I wake in tears every night. I wake in tears when there's no light. I hold your name like it's the truth. I wake in tears, still loving you. I wake in love is gone, why does it stay? I wake in tears every day.
They say everything happens for a reason, every heartbreak, every season. But I wonder if we choose our way, or if fate decides where we stay.
I met you on a Tuesday in October rain. You were humming a melody I couldn't explain. Something in your eyes told me you'd be mine, or maybe it was written in the stars aligned.
We didn't plan it, didn't see it coming fast, but suddenly the future became the past. Every step I took was leading me to you. Was it destiny or did we make it true?
I believe in moments that can change your life, when you meet someone who cuts through like a knife. Through all the noise and chaos of the world outside, you became my shelter, became my guide.
I walked 1,000 roads that led me here, to this very moment holding you near. Was it chance or was it meant to be? The fate of love's a mystery to me.
Are we written in the cosmos, or do we write our story as we go? Is love a choice or something more?
What are we fighting for? The fate of love is calling, through the rising and the falling. We're caught between what's destined and the chances we keep missing. The fate of love is pulling at our hearts and it's so confusing. Do we control where this goes? Nobody really knows the fate of love. There were nights I almost walked away from us, when trust was broken and we lost the trust. But something pulled me back into your arms, like gravity has its own special charm.
Maybe we're not perfect, maybe we're flawed, but isn't that the beauty of the love we've drawn? Imperfect lines that somehow make a masterpiece. In chaos we found our inner peace.
I've made mistakes at things I didn't mean, watched you cry and felt my world between. The choice to stay or let you fly away, but fate kept bringing you back every day.
I don't know if it's the universe or just my will that keeps me here, that keeps me loving you still. But I choose you in every lifetime, every way. That's a choice I make every single day.
Maybe fate is just the choices that we make,
every risk we decide to take, every time we choose to stay. That's how we pave the way.
The fate of love is calling, through the rising and the falling. We're caught between what's destined and the chances we keep missing. The fate of love is pulling at our hearts and it's so confusing. Do we control where this goes? Nobody really knows. If I could see the future, would I change a thing?
All the pain and joy that loving you would bring,
every tear that fell, every smile we shared,
led us to this moment unprepared.
Maybe fate's not written in the sky above,
maybe fate is just another word for love.
when you choose someone through every storm, that's when fate is born. The fate of love is calling, I hear it calling, through the rising and the fall. say everything happens for a reason,
but I know that we chose our way,
and I choose you every day. The fate of love
is you and me. I've been searching for a feeling that I couldn't name. Then you walked into my world and nothing was the same.
golden hour on a rooftop, city lights begin to glow. You reached out and touched my hand, time started moving slow.
Every moment felt like magic, every word you spoke was true. I was drowning in the ocean till I found my way to you.
They say angels walk among us, never thought I'd find mine.
But when you look at me like that, I can see the divine. This must be heaven, heaven,
Heaven, 'cause I've never felt this way.
heaven.
Please don't let it fade away.
When you hold me,
I'm weightless,
flying higher every day.
this must be heaven,
Heaven,
heaven, and I'm never coming down.
I'm never coming down, never coming down.
I was lost in all the noise, couldn't hear my own heartbeat.
Then your voice cut through the chaos, made my whole world feel complete.
Every sunrise is a promise, every sunset is a dream.
With you, life is poetry, more beautiful than it seems. Say miracles can happen, never thought they'd come to me.
But when you smile that way, I believe in everything. This must be heaven,
Heaven,
heaven, 'cause I've never felt this way.
heaven,
Please don't let it fade away.
when you hold me, I'm weightless, flying higher
Every day, this must be heaven,
heaven,
heaven, and I'm never coming down.
I'm never coming down. If this is just a dream, don't wake me. If this is paradise, just take me to wherever you will go. I'll follow, I'll follow.
'Cause every kiss feels like forever, every touch could change the weather.
We're writing our own story. This is our glory. Heaven, heaven, heaven. We found heaven.
This must be heaven, heaven, 'cause I've never felt this way. Please don't let it fade away.
When you hold me,
I'm weightless, flying higher every day. This must be heaven, heaven, and I'm never coming down.
down, never coming down. This is heaven, heaven, written in the stars above. Heaven, this is what they call true love. When I'm with you, I'm fearless, nothing standing in our way. This is heaven,
Heaven,
and I'm never coming down, never coming down.
this must be
Heaven, you're my heaven. I
I traced your name across the glass. Every memory rushes back.
Like fireflies, we try to chase the night, but I lost your hand in the fading light.
I thought forever meant we'd never break, but here I stand with everything at stake. If I could hold you again, just one more time, I'd rewrite the stars, I'd make the world align. Through every shadow and through every flame, I'd fight the distance just to hold you again. Hold you again. The echoes linger where your laughter stayed. I still see your face in the pouring rain. Every song I sing still calls your name. No matter how I run, it's all the same. I thought tomorrow meant we'd never fade, but love is fragile and hearts can break. If I could hold you again, just one more time, I'd rewrite the stars, I'd make the world align. Through every shadow and through every flame, I'd fight the distance just to hold you again. Maybe love was meant to teach us pain,
Or maybe loss can lead us home again.
if the night should fall, I'll find your head, and in the dark we'll learn to stand. If I could hold you again, just one more time, I'd rewrite the stars, I'd make the world align. Through every shadow and through every flame, I'd give forever just to hold you again.
Hold you again, hold you again. I'd give forever just to hold you again.